Hello! You wish to take the TOEIC online, and you need to know the registration process. Stay right where you are. Global Exam explains it all. Registration for the TOEIC is made on the internet, on the ETS website. Simply follow the steps toward the process. Step 1. Choose the language and go to the TOEIC tab, then click For Test Takers. Step 2. You will be redirected towards the home page of ETS Global. Click on Buy Now. Step 3. After having clicked on Buy Now, click on Register for the Test, which could also be written as Book a Test in some countries. Step 4. You should select your preference, such as the test which you are interested in, the exam center, and the date. Step 5. You should confirm the session, date, and time of your choice and click on Register. Step 6. On the summary page, review all your information and confirm that they are correct to access to the next page. Step 7. Finally, proceed to payment by bank card. Global Exam offers an innovative program, a 100% online e-learning platform that provides numerous resources and allows you to measure your progress. An ideal solution to reach your objectives and validate your project. Sign up to test a free version.